welcome to Mom's Exclusive. Hope all of you are doing good. Today's video is all about the top 3 budget-friendly baby massage oils. In case you're new to the channel, our channel has got loads of baby product related videos. Do subscribe and stay connected. Okay, let's get started. So what is the need for baby massage? Right from the day the little one is born, they enjoy being cuddled, stroked and to be touched. So these gentle, warm touches express love and care. As the medical research reveals, so these touches are very essential for the child's growth as well as their emotional development. So what are the benefits of baby massage? Studies show that these baby massages have profoundly positive effect on the baby's health. So first and foremost, they get a very restful sleep. Next, it reduces their stress levels. Next, it improves their overall muscles flexibility as well as it also helps them in better digestion. And some children who experience constipation with regular infant massages, these issues are all reduced. And we also find that massages help a long way in reducing the colic pain. So all these are the advantages of baby massages. Now let's get on to the topic. So now what are the qualities of a very good massage oil? First and foremost, it shouldn't be greasy, and then it should be devoid of chemicals. Any harsh chemicals should not be present, and it should also be very soothing to the baby. Now keeping all these as priority, so let's have a look into the top 3 budget-friendly baby massage oil. The Mamaearth baby massage oil. The main ingredients of this oil is sesame, jojoba as well as almond, and it can be used by kids from 0 to 5 years. They have also mentioned that it is 100% natural as well as dermatologically tested. We have a brand that is known for ages, and when we speak about virgin coconut oil, it is only this brand that comes to everyone's mind. It is none other than Parachute. Personally, I have used it from my childhood, and for my baby's massages too, I have only used their oil. So from that reputed brand, we have the Parachute Advanced Baby Massage Oil. So what is so special about this oil is that it has got virgin coconut oil along with almond oil and vitamin E and F in its ingredients. So this virgin coconut oil, as we all know, has traces of nutrients that are present in mother's milk. Hence, it helps in the overall growth, that is the height and the weight of the baby improves. And this is doctor certified as well as newborn safe, 100% natural oils being used. And they have also clearly mentioned what is that they stay away from. So there is no phthalates, no sulfates, no dyes, no mineral oils, and it is also designed to be hypoallergenic. The baby massage oil from the brand The Moms Co. They are all certified organic. Ingredients include sesame, jojoba, wheat germ, avocado and chamomile oil. They are dermatologically tested as well as free from sulfates, parabens and mineral oils. So hope the video was very informative. Now we have loads of interesting videos coming up. Do subscribe and stay connected. Thank you so much for your love and support. Bye-bye.